Welcome to Smart Web YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you a lot of things on print on demand, some of the platforms that you that is actually worldwide accepted, and some of and a platform that actually need what's it called, third party. Now, so many of us have been asking us questions. What is print on demand? How is it being done? And a lot of things. So before we dive into that, this the YouTube channel Smart Wave Tech. Please, only thing you can help us do is to subscribe to this channel. Remember, the channel is all about tech in general and also making money in general. When I mean tech in general, data analytics, data science, a lot of things on the channel, Amazon KDP, print on demand, a lot of things, how to make money and also tech in general. So a lot of things are embedded in this channel, will be coming one after the other. So if you want to be a beneficiary, please like, subscribe, give this a thumbs up to some of our videos. So anything you want to, this is just actually a school for everybody. Now let's dive into what we have now. Talking about print on demand, I did something. I said, okay, let me ask ChatGPT what print on demand it's, maybe to have a very good explanation on that. Now, what's ChatGPT saying? He said print on demand, which is POD, is a business model where books, apparel or other products are printed only after order is placed. That means this pattern of business is what? Is a product are printed after order is placed. That means if order is not placed, there is no product. So there should be an order before the product is printed. Now, eliminating the need for inventory. This method is commonly used in self-publishing, e-commerce, to reduce upfront costs and storage requirement. Imagine printing a t-shirt and a lot of things, and people are not buying it and it's in your stock. So in this kind of business model, you don't need to print and keep. So the printing is based on what? Demand. The printing is based on demand. So this is what the whole thing is actually saying. It say how it works. First of all, you have to have a design, and you upload your design in some of these platforms. It can be for t-shirts, it can be for books. Now, customer order the product. The item is printed only when a customer makes a purchase. That means if there is no order, if there is no purchase, if there is no order, it's not printed, as I said before. Now, printing and fulfillment. Now, POD, service, print and ship the product to the buyer. Now, when the customer ordered, these products are being shipped to the buyer, and the buyer see what they ordered. Now, profit distribution. The seller receives a portion of the sale after printing. Shipping costs are what? Deducted. Now, the seller receive a portion of sales. Now, this when there's a price tag attached to this, when everything is printed, there is a cost. Printing is not free and all that. Now, they will minus the cost of printing. The seller also gets percentage and other things. Shipping costs are being removed and other things. So that's how you make your own profit. Now, only thing you need to do, first of all, you have to have a design. You upload it on these platforms. When it's being ordered, it's being printed and shipped to the owner. Now, benefits of POD: low risk, no need to invest in bulk inventory. As I said before, you don't just need to print and keep and hoping that someone will buy. No, all these things are printed based on demand. Now, minimal upfront cost, you only pay when an order is placed. Scalability, easily expand product offering, no storage needed. Products are produced on demand. Then common POD platforms. You can see some of the common POD platforms. We have the Amazon KDP, you have the Ingram Spark, we have the Lulu apparel making, you have the Printful, the apparels and merchandise, we have the Printful, T-string and Redbubble. Now, I'll be showing you Redbubble and TeePublic, which is not here, and also the Printful and how it works. Now, this Printful can also be used in form of third party for print on demand, not directly to the website. Now, how does it work? I have some platforms here which I'll be showing you. This is one of our stores here on SmartWave store. You can see SmartWave store, and this is some of our work that we have done so far here. Then if you check, you can view our manage portfolio. Let me show you something. Manage portfolio. You can promote. Let me click on this artwork. I just want to show you how this looks. Now, these are some of the designs and price tag attached to them, and price tag attached to them. You can see them with different products and price tag attached to them. If you click on this cap, you click on this cap, you see different styles that you can look at. Different styles, you can look at them. See, you can look at them. Different styles. Now, these are just one designs. This is just a one design which are being converted into different products. Now, if you want to, I'll be showing you how to do some of these designs. I'll be showing you how to upload, and also I'll be showing you how to create collections. If you can see, this a collection that I have here. Now, collection is like in Amazon KDP, it's called category. Now here we call it what? Collection. So one of the best platforms to use, that is I would advise anybody to use, is Redbubble. I will also be dropping the links here on the video section, comment section, so that you guys can actually click on it and register. Now, this a very good platform. All you need to do is what? If you have a bank account, just open your bank account and you can make use of it here. I will also be dropping a link of what's it called? A link that you can use to open your bank account, your dollar account, euro and pounds account, if you are based in Africa here or in Nigeria. Now, another print on demand platform I need to show you guys is this particular platform called Public. I'll also be dropping the link so you can sign up with my referral, you know, and do your thing. So another one is what we call ecstasy. Ecstasy is very popular, but the problem that is limited. Now, ecstasy in Nigeria here is not being accepted. You can't actually open accounts, have account ecstasy in Nigeria and some of the African countries. So I don't really make use of them. Now, in ecstasy, you can make use of Printify. Printify, this platform called Printify, which can be connected. You can create account here also and use it for your print on demand, which can also be connected to ecstasy, and you go. So what this requires for payment is what we call what's the name? I can't remember. Well, let's leave it at that. But ecstasy actually is not allowed in some of the African countries because there are a lot of verifications you need to do that we don't have in Africa here. So I'll if you want to actually go into print on demand, I will just recommend these two platforms, you know, the Redbubble and also Public. Now, let me shock you. Redbubble also has what? Public. Now, these are two different platforms but owned by Redbubble. Now, this all about print on demand. Now, if you want to see more videos, how to do the design, how to upload some of these things, edit them, how to create collections, how to manage them, how to promote them. Now, I will be showing how to even do the promotion on Pinterest. If I show you my Pinterest here, you can see some of the promotions I have done. Some of the promotions I have done. Let's allow it to load. Now, please, if you like this video, give this a thumbs up. I will be dropping all the links that you need to know concerning this. Let me go here. Now you can see some of our products being promoted here. Some of our product being promoted here. You can see this one is already having 16 views, 17 views. Now, this these are being linked to some of the platforms like the T what's it called, the T Public, and also the Redbubble. Now if I click on this shirt now, if I click on it, let's see. Or is this particular one network? I'm having so much glitches here. So let me click on this. Okay, let me click on this particular one now. If you see, if you click on it now, how many people have visited? Very good. Wow. So he's doing well. He's doing well. And this Pinterest is not a private thing, it's for the public. So we call it business Pinterest. Wow, this is having 72 views already. That's wide, man. That's crazy. I've not checked it for so long, and he's doing very woo. I'm having 192 view here. Wow, you can actually 192 view, 70. Yeah, they are all doing well. They are all doing well. So I will show you how to promote some of these things. Is crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy. So if you want to sell some of these things are being done, you know, you can actually subscribe to the YouTube channel, wait for the next video on print on demand. You can click on this. When you click on it, you can visit the site. When you click visit the site, Instagram, right? Now I can show you how you connect this to Instagram. Then another thing is, let me show you. If you click on, let me click on this with the highest view. Where is it? This. When you click on it, you can say visit the site. Now it will load to what? Instagram also. So I will show you how this thing is being connected to what? Instagram. You see it. So this is a very good way to promote your work. To promote your work. So wow, impressions and all that. So it's a very good way to promote your work. And I'll be teaching you how to link this to Instagram, how to link it to your Redbubble, and everything that you need to know. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Just help us by subscribing. Bye. Ciao.